How we make pencils. The pencil making process is a meticulous journey from raw materials to the final product. It begins with the careful harvesting of wood, often cedar, which is then prepared through cutting and kiln drying. The wood is bonded, shaped, and fitted with a graphite core. Following this, pencils undergo gluing and shaping processes to achieve their familiar form. Painting and finishing steps enhance aesthetics and durability, while quality control ensures each pencil meets set standards. 1. Harvesting wood. The first step in the pencil-making process involves the harvesting of wood. Cedar wood is a popular choice due to its favorable characteristics, such as being lightweight, having a straight grain, and lacking a strong aroma. However, other types of wood may also be utilized. The wood is typically sourced in the form of logs from responsibly managed forests. Once the logs are obtained, they undergo further processing to prepare them for pencil production. The harvested wood logs are cut into slats of appropriate length, and these slats serve as the foundational material for creating the pencils. To ensure stability and reduce moisture content, the slats are subjected to kiln drying before progressing to the subsequent stages of pencil manufacturing. 2. Preparing the wood. After the harvesting of wood, the next critical step in pencil production involves the careful preparation of the wood to create the necessary components. The harvested wood logs are initially cut into pencil-length slats, shaping the raw material into workable units for the subsequent stages of the manufacturing process. These slats must adhere to specific dimensions, ensuring consistency in the size and shape of the final pencils. Subsequently, the slats undergo a crucial phase known as kiln drying. Kiln drying is a controlled process in which the slats are placed in specialist ovens or kilns. The purpose of this step is twofold: to reduce the moisture content of the wood and to enhance its stability. By carefully controlling temperature and humidity, excess moisture is removed from the slats, preventing warping, cracking, or other forms of distortion that could compromise the quality of the pencils. The kiln drying process not only prepares the wood for further processing, but also contributes to the overall durability and longevity of the pencils. Well-dried wood ensures that the final product will maintain its shape and integrity over time, especially when subjected to different environmental conditions. Once the slats have been successfully dried, they are ready for the subsequent stages of pencil production. This meticulous preparation of the wood sets the foundation for creating high-quality pencils with consistent dimensions and structural integrity, ensuring that each pencil meets the standards set by the manufacturer. 3. Bonding and shaping. In the intricate process of pencil manufacturing, the bonding and shaping stage plays a pivotal role in determining the structural integrity and final form of the writing instrument. After the wood has been harvested, cut into slats, and kiln dried, these slats are meticulously glued together to create what is known as a pencil block or pencil blank. The bonding process ensures that the individual slats form a cohesive unit, setting the foundation for the subsequent steps. Following bonding, the pencil block undergoes shaping through cutting machines or saws. This shaping process is critical in defining the precise dimensions, length, and overall design of the pencil. The machines carefully carve the pencil block into individual units, each embodying the intended shape and size. Precision is paramount during this stage to achieve uniformity across the entire batch of pencils. The success of the bonding and shaping steps establishes the groundwork for the insertion of the graphite core and subsequent processes, ultimately culminating in the creation of a functional and aesthetically pleasing pencil. 4. Adding the core. After the bonding and shaping of the pencil blank, the next critical step in pencil manufacturing is adding the core. Pencil cores are typically composed of a mixture of graphite and clay, with the ratio of determining the pencil's hardness. A groove is carefully cut into the pencil halves, and the pencil core is inserted into this groove. The integration of the graphite core into the wooden casing is a precise process, ensuring that the core is securely embedded, centered, and aligned within the pencil. This step is pivotal in determining the writing characteristics of the pencil, such as its darkness or hardness, and sets the stage for the subsequent stages of gluing, shaping, and finishing the pencil. 5. Gluing and shaping the pencil. Following the insertion of the graphite core, the pencil halves undergo the gluing and shaping process. The halves now housing the core are meticulously glued together to form a complete pencil. This bonding is a crucial step in ensuring the structural integrity of the pencil. Subsequently, shaping machines are employed to carve the pencils into their final form. These machines precisely cut and shape the bonded halves, creating the familiar cylindrical shape and sharpened point. The accuracy of this shaping process is vital for producing uniform pencils with consistent dimensions. Once shaped, the pencils move on to the next stages, including painting, finishing, and quality control before being packaged for distribution and sale. 6. Painting and finishing. After the gluing and shaping process, pencils enter the painting and finishing phase to enhance both their appearance and durability. The outer surface of the pencils is coated with paint or lacquer, providing a polished and attractive finish. This not only contributes to the aesthetic appeal of the pencils, but also adds a protective layer, safeguarding them against wear and environmental factors. The choice of paint colors and finishes may vary among manufacturers and brands. Additionally, the ends of the pencils are often capped with erasers, and some pencils may feature a metal ferrule, the part that holds the eraser at one end. The painting and finishing stage is crucial for creating a visually appealing and functional product before the pencils undergo final quality control checks and are ultimately packaged for distribution to consumers. 7. Quality control. Quality control is a pivotal stage in the pencil-making process, ensuring that each pencil meets the manufacturer's standards before reaching the consumer. During this phase, pencils undergo thorough inspection to identify and rectify any defects. Quality control measures include checking for uniformity in size, shape, and color, as well as verifying the integrity of the pencil structure. Technicians may also assess the functionality of attached erasers and the precision of sharpened points. Any deviations from the established criteria are addressed to maintain the overall quality of the product. This meticulous scrutiny guarantees that consumers receive pencils that not only meet aesthetic expectations but also perform reliably, reflecting the manufacturer's commitment to excellence. After passing quality control assessments, the pencils move on to the final stages of packaging, ready for distribution and use. 8. Packaging. The packaging phase is the concluding step in the pencil-making process, serving as the bridge between production and consumer distribution. Pencils that have successfully passed through quality control are carefully assembled and organized for packaging. The packaging design and materials may vary based on the manufacturer's preferences and the intended market. Pencils are commonly bundled in sets or arranged in boxes for retail presentation, with packaging often featuring branding, product information, and usage instructions. Some manufacturers prioritize eco-friendly packaging, utilizing recycled materials or promoting sustainability. Packaging not only protects the pencils during transit and on store shelves, but also serves as a key element in marketing, conveying the brand identity and attracting consumers. The attention to detail in packaging ensures that the pencils reach the end user in pristine condition, ready for various applications in writing, drawing, or sketching. Conclusion. In conclusion, the pencil-making process involves a series of meticulous steps, from harvesting wood and preparing it through bonding and shaping, to the insertion of the graphite core. Subsequent stages include painting, finishing, quality control, and finally packaging. Each phase contributes to the production of a reliable and visually appealing writing tool. The precision and attention to detail throughout this process ensure that pencils meet quality standards before reaching the hands of consumers. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.